honestly, pag yung talagang klarong na undebatable na emergency, state of calamity.
President Benigno Aquino III has been in combat mode against Chief Justice Renato Corona. He does not spare the kickoff event for the People Power Anniversary 2 weeks ago.
Si Ginoong Corona ay may nakatago.
Sa Malaysia kay Prime Minister Najib Razak po naidaan sa marahas ang Sabah claim.
I think first of all, typhoons are not an unusual occurrence for the Philippines. We get visited by about 20 of them every year, rather quickly, except in this particular case, the foundation of our efforts rely on the local government units, and unfortunately 2 or 3 were simply overwhelmed by the degree of this typhoon that affected us. But other than that, in the other areas, there was preemptive evacuation, cooperation from the citizens.
I am hearing growing anger on the streets about the government response. People feel they've been left. They have not been supported by the government.
Well, through your network, I can assure our people and the whole world that the entire force of the government of President Pinoy is looking after our people here. It's, you know, if we had set aside gallons or pails of water, it just turns out that the need is that of a swimming pool. So what was a garden hose is now a fire truck's hose, and we're doubling this every day, and this should now accelerate as days goes by.
So obviously you couldn't handle the initial response, but even today, we are now in our 6th day,
right.
We are at the airport, we're at the staging post for relief supplies.
That's correct.
Supplies. I get asked for water. My crew gets asked for water every day,
right.
Several times a day. If you can't supply water here,
there is no water supply. I mean, there is no municipal.
Wasn't that your?
No. There is no municipal water supply. All the water that is available are in bottles that are brought in. This is brought to the warehouse of the Social Welfare Department, from which it now goes to all the communities in the interior. This, what you see here, is multiplied 1,000 times by all the other localities inside.
Is the situation under control?
Yes, I would say that it is.
So you are saying that the relief efforts are now working as effectively, as efficiently as they could be?
You know, Andrew, nothing is fast enough in a situation like this. The point is, everything that we have, if this was a gun, all bullets are being deployed. If this was a fire hose, all hoses are being deployed. And slowly, as we are clearing the streets, we are able to reach the people in the interior. Imagine a situation where from zero, no power, light, water, communication, nothing, you have to build the social infrastructure as well as the physical infrastructure for 275,000
But it's the immediate response, surely. You knew the storm was coming. We all knew the storm was coming.
That's right.
We knew it was going to be perhaps one of the most intense storms we've ever seen.
Yes.
The President said on the day before the storm arrived that Manila stood by, ready to support everyone. From my view, I would say that did not happen quickly enough.
Well, as I said, nothing is fast enough in a situation like this. In our doctrine or in our framework, the local government unit is the first responder. The national government is supposed to come in on day 2 and day 3 to be able to support that. What happened is that the local government unit, not just here in Tacloban, but the entire, many of the communities in Leyte, basically was literally swept away. So there was no...
Which puts more emphasis on the central authorities to provide immediate assistance.
That's right, and that's why on day 1, on 0 plus day 1, we were able to reopen the airport. On 0 plus day 2, we opened the road to the airport. And now here we are, day 6, all the municipalities are now accessible by land.
I travel into the city every day.
Right, yeah.
I have been. And every day I have been passing the same bodies on the street.
Maybe
what I want to know is that you are trying to reassure the people.
Right.
The people are living wherever they can. They are still living next to decomposing
Let me just
corpses.
correct that. They're not the same bodies. Because every day we pick up the bodies. I myself led a cadaver recovery team yesterday and the day before.
With respect, I see the same ones.
Well, they may look like they're the same because they're in the same looking body bags.